Morning guys, welcome back to another episode of Moneypitz. We've got something a bit different for you today. We're not going to look at the E30. We've got that in the garage, but we'll push it out because we've got another little project to do. It's just here. So let's crack on with that. We've got Nick here. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Follow Nick on Instagram down below or on Snapchat. So today what we're going to do is we've got his, what is it, a 97?
98.
98 Subaru WRX GC8 in silver. And we're going to drastically change what it's going to look like. But we will not going to do that just yet. Stay tuned. Alright, we're on our way to Bunnings to go pick up some rags and some tape and some just bit of utensils to use for the day. So let's go. She's done. So step one is we've got to tape up the garage. We don't want any overspray or anything on the wall, so that's what Nick and I have just done now. You've just seen it. So we did prepare. It took a while to do. It's definitely going to take a lot less time to pull it all down. So let's crack on with the rest of it. So we're just going to prep the car, get it all clean, sand off with your impurities, and start the Plastidipping. Can't wait.
Alright, if you're wondering why we're sanding down some of these spots, if you're going to do it, you may as well do it properly, and we want it to look better than what it looks like now. So any big chips or clear coat or anything like that that's peeling, we're just going to sand it straight off. It's going to look 100 times better than if we do it over the flaky paint or the bubbles. And realistically, we want it to last for a little bit. Also, if we decide that we don't like it, well, not me, Nick, if he decides that he doesn't like it and he peels it off, at least the prep work's already half done and we've already done the majority of the bodywork. So just crack on and keep going on with it. That's all the prep work done. Now we've just got to tape it all up. Just gone over the first coat, and that's for rag. Obviously we did do a bit of sanding as well, but we want to get all that off the car. So what we'll do is we'll grab some more clean rags and we'll go over it again. Luckily we've got quite a few rags to go. Do you want a fresh one? Alright, so step one was we need to mix the Plastidip up. So, on a drill. All nice and mixed. Colour dip and peel, thanks to the products. We're almost there. As you can see, we've sanded down a few of the imperfections, stone chips and any of the paint that was flaking. It's not 100% perfect, but it's about 90%, so I think we're pretty happy with it. What do you reckon, Nick? You happy with it? Yeah. Yep. Lovely. Alright, let's spray our first coat. Alright, we've mixed it up. We've just filled our little Bosch airless sprayer. I don't know what it's called. Whatever. So we filled it up with the black. We're about to run over the whole car. We've just done a test panel just to see what it's like. I won't show you, it's black. So we're going to run through, do a couple of coats of the black. So watch us now. Always, before we do this as well, make sure you've got some ventilation. So I've got the garage door open just a little bit. And don't forget your respiratory protection. Now it's not a lot, but it's better than nothing. Hold that for a second, Nick. Here we go. We are just going to add some more material to the sprayer and we'll do another layer. We're just going to let it dry for about 5 minutes. Coat 3. That looks incredible. It's gonna be so gold. It's gonna be gold.
It is.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fucking gold.
I want to go cover. Let me pass it on this guy. There's it on there. Pretty cool.
Alright, so we've sprayed the clear with the gold flake in it. We've just let that dry off. What we're going to do is we're going to spray a couple of coats of just clear over the top. We tried it on a test panel. Comes out super gold and glossy, which is nice, what we want. Obviously not as glossy as normal automotive paint, but for Plastidipping, we're pretty impressed.
I'm very impressed.
Nick's impressed, I'm impressed. I can't wait to see this thing out in the sun. Alright Nick, what do you reckon? It looks good?
That's crazy.
Shall we have a look at it?
Let's go.
Looks pretty black over here. Get over into the sun. It is gold and it looks absolutely incredible. The whole thing. Just, I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera, but that flake. Woof! Frosty.
That's crazy.
That's cold. Took us most of the day to get that done. We started about 8 o'clock in the morning and we finished up around about 4. If you want to do the same as us, what we did is we laid about 4 or 5 coats of the black Plastidip down. 2 to 3 light coats of the clear with gold flake through it, and then we put another 2 to 3 coats down, just a gloss clear over the top of it, just to bring back that shine. We were really impressed with how it all came together, and for the value for money, it's really good. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.